Bringing back the pride and the joy of playing for the country is on the forefront of the mind of Sunshine Girls head coach Connie Francis, resulting in her making 3 changes to her first squad for the quadrangular series in England next month. More in this report from Karen Madden.
The netball public is still reeling from a below-par 5th place finish at the Netball World Cup earlier this year, the lowest in over 2 decades. Strolling in to shift the focus is a coach and former player Connie Francis to win over fans again for the quadrangular series in England starting on January 19 against South Africa.
I think the mentality is the first thing on my agenda here, because I think that we need to put back that pride in to play for our country. I thought that we had slacking off. I mean, all of us are slacking off where it comes to having that discipline to see our netball grow. Yes, we have sent players out there in the world to play. Yes, they're doing extremely well for their country, their different teams. But I thought that when they come back here, I think they're a bit lackadaisical. So hence, this is why I figure that it's really to get back that discipline.
Even with several players making themselves unavailable and Romelda Aiken out with an injury, Francis is happy with replenishing the squad that sees teenage prospects Latanya Wilson, Giselle Allison, Shady Ann Hemmings and Shanika Johnson making the trip.
Talented, especially for the next under 21 team, because we had some young players in the 17-year-old who is, the world is just dying to see those girls do their thing. And we also have it in Latanya, because Latanya is also a youngster and she's growing. And I think that this is our time.
The Sunshine Girls will play 2 teams that defeated them at the World Cup in England and South Africa, and the highly respected Francis is high on redemption.
The girls have certainly given me the respect. We respect each other. I thought that, always a short-term plan going into England. I still think that with my ability to be tactical, and hopefully that we can overcome our endurance to really go into this championship, because for me this championship is all about being tactical more than endurance.
The rest of the team reads top shooter Janelle Fowler, Shimona Nelson, Shanice Beckford, Jody Ann Ward, Nicole Dixon, Khadijah Williams, Shamera Sterling and Katie Andiani. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.